Hi everyone, Tracey here from MiniScenes. Now, I'm taking a break from working my way through planning all the request videos that I'm making based on the feedback you've been giving me. Thank you for that. Keep them coming. Keep that wish list going. I am making a note of them all and I'm working my way through. Now, the reason I'm taking a break is because this frog mould has arrived and I love frogs. Now, I've seen these on various stores' websites. I've seen them on Facebook, on Amazon. I think Let's Resin do them. They look pretty awesome. Anyway, I thought I would treat myself. So this one has arrived and it looks rather gorgeous and shiny inside. And God, I so love frogs. I used to keep fire-bellied toads in the hope that they would breed. They never did, but by golly, they were cute. And I love the frogs that I have in my garden around my pond. So I'm going to do a few different versions of this. If you want to see what I do, I'm going to just basically whiz them through, sped up over the next few days and put them all together into one big video. And then you can tell me if there's any you would like to see me do, you know, in proper, what should we say, slow motion? No, a proper step-by-step.